Hi everybody, it's Dr. Northington again. Um, as I'd mentioned before in a prior announcement and email, what we're going to do is every week, at the beginning of the week, I'm going to post the expectations for class. And because all of you are in both lecture and lab for ecology, I'm just going to make both sets of announcements in the same video. So if you have any questions, go to the virtual office hours, stop by, email. You know the deal. Most of you have had me before, or you know how this works. So for lecture, remember we only meet on Fridays. So this is a hybrid course, meaning you need to work through everything that I've made available for you for that week. So this week, that includes you doing the introduction discussion board. There's about half of you who haven't done it. Right now I'm recording on Sunday afternoon, so, do it. Then there's the course policies and plagiarism quiz, because we will be doing writing in lab, but I just figured I would funnel it through lecture and have you work on it that way. And I've actually got the first part of Module 1 opened up. So there are a series of readings that you'll need to do, and you'll need to work through the content of the modules up until the reading assignment I give you for Thursday. There's a very specific reading assignment that you're required to do Thursday night prior to showing up to lecture on Friday. On Friday, we're going to do an in-class data activity. I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through how a course works, but please use this week to ask me as many questions as you want. But the basics of it are you need to work through the material on your own, and then on Friday I'll answer any questions. We'll usually have some sort of activity that we're going to do, or we'll take our exams on Fridays. So that's kind of how the semester is structured, and the complete syllabus is up, so you kind of know what to expect. As I mentioned in the prior email, you can use either the fourth or the new edition of the ecology textbook. Either one works. They're pretty much in the same order of everything. All right, for lab, I've also got week 1 open up and the requirements for the field notebook. I can't say this enough. Get the notebook now. It's going to save you a lot of moving material back and forth over between improper notebooks into the proper one. For those of you who have me currently in other classes requiring us to go outside, I'm going to rant at you about the same thing, so just don't make me rant. Get the notebook. If you have questions about it, shoot me an email and I'll tell you if you've got the right kind. And we're going to start on Thursday in lab going into the garden. So you're going to get dirty on day 1, so make sure that you wear appropriate clothing for that. Read the document that I've put in the module for lab about what we're doing in the garden week 1, so you know what to expect. We're going to spend most of our time outside. Anything that we need to do inside, we'll have to split into groups and do it in, but I pretty much foresee us being able to do most everything outside, especially since there's now Wi-Fi available in most of the parking lots and much broader around campus. So bring some sort of computer with you as well, or device that you can upload data on or work on stuff with. Because we will be looking at Canvas at some point, so make sure you have that active. Again, for lecture and lab, I have discussion groups up, discussion posts up, virtual office hours. We're going to play that game right now to reduce a lot of the contact. I'm still holding office hours, so if you want to come and see me about something or work through some problems this semester, just let me know you're coming, wear a mask, and we'll do things well. On Friday for lecture, show up to 324. Sit wherever you want, but that is where you're sitting all semester. So I'm going to pass around a seating chart. I know it's like high school again, but just for safety's sake, you really, really need to do this for me. I think that's about it. You know where to find me. Actually, you don't, because now I have a new office. I'm in Aaron Owen's old office, 230A Peabody. But anyway, that's where I am. You can email me. Send me virtual messages on the discussion boards, and in general ask me things. You know how I work, most of you. For those of you who don't, you're going to learn soon. So anyway, have a good rest of your Sunday. I'll see some of you this week, and I'll see all of you on Friday and all of you on Thursday for sure. So make sure that you get stuff prepared for that. Okay, have a good one, and I'll see you soon.